Good morning to all. Good morning to all. On behalf of Girl College of Science and Computing, myself, Professor Geeta Divani, would like to welcome you all on one-day national webinar on what after 10th and 12th. Before starting this webinar, let us pray. Goddess Saraswati, the divine power, bless us in carols. ब्रह्माच्युत शंकरं प्रभुतिभिः देवै सदा वन्दिता श्यामा पातु सरस्वती भगवती शेषधार्या. So, before moving ahead, let me take an opportunity to give brief introduction about our college. In the year 1990, Tocqueville Yuvak Education Trust was established under the leadership of Royal College of Science and Commerce affiliated to UNESCO. Along with degree college, was dwelling for the Degree college started with 33 students in the year 2010. We are having grades of 1200 students. Our college offers various courses such as BCom, BMS, BAS, BMSc, and BSc. Apart from that, our college is under idol courses of BCom, MCom, MSc IT, MCA of open job going college. Nothing great will be achieved without training. And are only trained, they are determined. Yes, I'm talking about our respected Dr. Vijay Kumar Dati, who is the man of great vision, the man of great knowledge. Sir has done his MSc PhD in the subject of botany from Mumbai. He is guiding 7 people to reach the as you are known as a functional personality, adjunct professor in Indo-European Business School, Indo-European University, is a resource person in Olympiad Dr. Homi Bhabha Research Center, Mumbai, is editor-in-chief in International Journal of Multidisciplinary Science, is the editor in International Journal of Environment and Earth Science, is the advisor of Sultani Academy of Business, the project scientist in Ferviflora Research Organization. He himself founded a trust, Research Education Trust, Dr. Vivek Kumar Patil Research Education Trust, the president of this trust. He is a treasurer in Science Research Foundation Fund. He is a fellow academy for environment and life science. Member in editorial board, International Journal of Environmental Science. Advisor in Armite Institute of Engineering Technology, Arsenal. Advisor in Ekatvam Services Private Limited, Durbe, Navi Mumbai. Advisor in Bombay Stock Exchange Brokers Forum, Fort Mumbai. Is a consultant in Sarthak Wealth Management Private Limited, Dombivli. Is a PhD coordinator of many universities. Tibarwala University, Rajasthan. The state coordinator of Kalaslingam University, Tamil Nadu. Member of Board of Studies, Tibarwala University, Rajasthan. He is a regional coordinator of PM Patil College of Engineering and Management. He is a regional coordinator in DM Patil College of Engineering and Management, PhD research guide in Pacific Bihar University Rajasthan, Tibarwala University Rajasthan, Sridhar University Rajasthan, Kalaslingam University Tamil Nadu. He is a convener of Rotary Club of Youth District 3142. And recently, Sir has achieved his Lifetime Achievement Award, Mahatma Gandhi Lifetime Achievement Award in the field of. It's a very proud privilege to work under such a versatile personality, Dr. Vivek Kumar Patil. I request our respected principal sir to say some few words to share his opinion on today's webinar. Thank you, sir. Dr. Vivek Kumar Patil. Yeah, I respected sir. Please continue.
Hello.
Hello, sir.
Screen is it visible? Hello.
Yes.
Hello. Visible?
Yes, sir.
Good morning all. Good morning. Today's seminar, the dignitary Professor Swapnil Chaudhary sir. Today they are conducting the session what after 10th and 12th. Presently we are in the critical situation, COVID-19, that is the corona disease, acquired all over the world as well as our country, India, and maximum numbers of the people are suffering from corona. From Mumbai, our location Dombivli, Thane district, Pune, so Maharashtra, it is a tremendous condition presently. Train services is completely stopped. Traveling spaces are completely stopped. We have to take the care of prevention, how to prevent from corona. Therefore, we have to stay at home, be safe at home, and once the corona goes, our lifeline will start. So when our lifeline starts, what is our intention means? The students who are waiting for the results of the 10th and students who are waiting for the results of the 12th. So presently their assessment of the papers are going on, and in the month of June 8, result may be declared of the 12th, or in the month of July, 10th result will be declared. So what after 10th and what after 12th, most of the students said not to go their town because due to this critical condition, students are interested. Their parents are not allowing the students to go by the train. Therefore, my opinion to them to prefer the colleges nearest to their location, which is the best college nearest to our location. That is the best for the students for prevention of this corona. Our college is Science and Commerce College. From last 27 years, our junior college is running, having the strength of around 1,700, and our 12th science result, the topper is from Dombivli Kallam region, is from Royal College of Science and Commerce. Around 100% of the results from last 5 years we achieved. Commerce also having 85 to 90% results we achieved from last 5 years. The best way to do the study after 10, some are interested to join the science, some are interested to join the commerce, some are interested to join the arts. Some after 12th also prefers to go for commerce, prefers to go for the science, prefers to go for the engineering. And what they think they have to achieve. If they join any colleges, they have to use good for their education so that they can create themselves positively. Education is important for the life for achieving the good run. For that, we are also planning for more seminars, webinars for the students. In the next week, we are planning for international seminars, international webinars, how to crack the interviews, how to crack the entry foreign countries. So, foreign delegates will convey the message to our Indians. So, what are the opportunities in the foreign countries? Hoping this seminar, Professor Swapnil Chaudhary sir advising us what to do after 10th, what to do after 12th, which line is better for 10th, what is the scope of the 10th, after 10th, what is the scope of the after 12th, that will guiding us. So hoping we will enjoy the seminar, webinar, and we will get the good guidance from such eminent faculty. Thank you.
Hello, Geeta ma'am.
Hello, good morning everyone. Is it audible to everyone?
Yes.
Okay, before we move on to the webinar, today I would like to give a short glimpse about our speaker, Professor Swapnil Chaudhary sir. His qualification is he is a BTech from ICT Mumbai and he has done his MBA marketing from ITM Kharghar. He is having a overall work experience of 15 years, a long career in a corporate section, as well as is having 6 years experience in teaching field. So now I think it's a right person to conduct this webinar, and hope so every students will like the session. I like Swapnil sir to start the session.
Thank you, Pillai sir. Thank you, Pillai sir. Thank you, Geeta ma'am. And I'm very thankful to our principal sir, Dr. Vivek Kumar Patil, to giving me such a good opportunity to present a webinar in front of my 10th, 12th students and their parents. Okay. Next slide. Rashmi ma'am, next slide. Yeah. Warm welcome to all parents and students. In everybody's life, okay, 10th and 12th are the most important years in everybody's life. Okay, because these 2 years give a direction to our life. Okay, so life में हमें क्या बनना है, कौन से direction में जाना है, क्या करना है, that is the main direction we will get in this year. Therefore, the situation is very critical in these 2 years because there is a lots of confusion is there. Okay, so the child is in the confusion as well as the parents also in confusion that what to do now, which side we will prefer. Next slide, ma'am. So now I will discuss. First, I will discuss about the 10th. What are the options available after 10th, and then I will discuss what are the options available after 12th. Okay. So I will start with options available after 10. Okay, so here on your screen you can see the various options which are available after the 10. Okay, so what are that options? The first option is engineering diploma. You can do the diploma after 10. Then LIC agent course is available. Then ITI courses are available. Art teacher, you can join as an art teacher course. Then also the various railway and clerk exams also available, which you can crack and you can join in that organization. Then diploma in medical lab technician, that is a DMLT course also available. Then bank insurance examinations are available. Then fine arts, diploma in dance music. Then other small diploma courses are like interior design, beauty culture, government technology. These are also available. Other than that, you can also do your career in Army, Navy, Air Force also with them. Then MSCIT courses also available. And the last most important, many students prefer that they will go for 11th and 12th. That is by choosing the science, commerce and art. Okay, all these courses are available. So now we will take one by one in detail. Next slide, ma'am. So engineering diploma. Okay, this is the most common options preferred by the many students. That is, after 10th they will go for, instead of going 11 12, they will go for engineering diploma. Okay, so what is the eligibility for this? So eligibility for 10 engineering diploma are 10 pass students with science and math subjects is required. Okay, then in engineering diploma there are various specializations are present. Okay, like mechanical engineering, civil engineering, computer engineering, electronics engineering. Okay, then electrical engineering and chemical engineering. These are the some examples. Okay, other than that also many options are available. These are the all are the specialization that you can choose during your engineering diploma. And duration for this course is 3 years. After 10, within the 3 years, you will get the engineering diploma degree. And after that, you can join the industry. Then next option is LIC agent. Okay, so other option in LIC agent. So its eligibility is standard 10 pass students. Okay, after 10 you can join as a LIC agent, but there is a process. So what is the process? So first that you have to contact your nearest branch office and meet the development officer there. They will take your interview, and if they feel you are comfortable or you are eligible, then they will provide you the training, and the training is for the 3 to 6 months, and on the basis of that you can also join the LIC agent or that particular firm. Next slide, ma'am. Next option available for the 10th student is ITI. What is ITI? That ITI means Industrial Training Institute. Okay, so government opened these institutes in everywhere. Many cities having the ITI institute. Okay, so what is the eligibility for this? That you have to be 10 pass. Okay, and means what is exactly the ITI? So the ITI are the very short-term job-oriented courses which are provided to the 10th pass students. Okay, so after completing the ITI, you can join that particular industry. The duration for this course is 1 to 2 years, and the various courses are available in ITI. The courses are draftsman, fitter, pump operator, turner, tool and die makers, dressmaking, footwear manufacturing. Such many courses are available, and all these are very job-oriented courses. So definitely after completing this course, you will get a good opportunities in specific industries. Okay, so next options is available as an art teacher. Okay, so you can also go for the art teacher course. The eligibility is 10th and or 12th pass. Both candidates are applicable for this, and duration for this course is 2 to 3 years. And after completions of this course, what are the career opportunities? So you become a teacher, you become a graphic designer, you become the animator, you become an art officer. Such many opportunities are available when you complete the art teacher. Now, next options is railway clerk exam. Okay, so there are many exams conducted by railway and bank for the clerical position. For eligibility for this is more than 50% marks. Okay, so first that you have to be competent, complete student, and eligibility is more than 50% mark in their entrance exam. They are having entrance exam for this. Okay, and you have to crack it. Okay. Then career opportunity, what career opportunities are available after this course? So there are commercial clerk, account clerk, cum typist, ticket examiner, ticket checker, junior clerk. So these are the scope or career opportunities available after the railway clerk exams. Okay. Now, next is course is available, that is a diploma in medical lab technician, that is known as a DMLT. Okay, so what is exactly the DMLT? What is a medical lab technician courses? So as you see, okay, in today's conditions, okay, there is a very much load on the medical people like doctors and hospitals and all that. Okay, so there are some people are required which are helping hand to these doctors and medical people. Okay, so if you want to do career with that field, so you have to be diploma in medical lab technician. Duration for this course is 1 to 2 years, and there are many diploma courses are available with the specialization like medical laboratory technician, radiology assistant, ECG assistant, X-ray technology. So these are the some of the examples I mentioned here. So you can choose one of the options for diploma courses for this. And what are the career opportunities? So you can get a job as a medical lab technician, medical lab assistant by doing the DMLT course. The next options, there are other also diploma courses are available like diploma in music and dance. Duration is 3 years, and career opportunity. What after that completion of that course, so you can get as a dance teacher, dance expert, performance artist, etc. These are the job opportunities which are available after this diploma. Then diploma in interior design. So this course also available for duration of the 3 years. You can also, because interior designer, this course also very much in demand nowadays. Okay, then beauty culture, this course is available at various stage, and duration for this course is 1 to 3 years. Then garment technology, as you know, textile industry is a very big industry, so you can do the garment technology diploma, and you definitely you can join at a various level in textile industry. Okay, so next is defense. Okay, so defense means in army, navy, air force. In this also you can do the your career. Okay, but the method is what for this courses, that first is fitness test. Okay, you have to undergo the fitness test. When you qualified it, then the next stage is documentation. They check your all documentation and all credentials. After that, if you pass it, then you will eligible for medical test. And after medical test, you also have to perform the entrance test. And as you pass from this all the four methods, four exams, then you are eligible to the various courses in Army, Navy, Air Force colleges. And duration is 3 years. Next slide, ma'am. Now, next course available for 10 students is MSCIT. What is MSCIT? It's a small computer course which provided to the all the students and all the peoples. Okay, so in these students you learn about various small computer programming, like you can work with software, you can work with MS Office, you can work with how to handle the internet. Means you can definitely get a little bit insight about the computers. And you are eligible for the data entry and all sort of jobs or clerical jobs. You will definitely get the clerical jobs after completing the MSCIT course. And eligibility is 10th pass students and duration is 3 to 6 months. Next and the most preferred option is 11 12. Many students, okay, preferred without going any specific course, they will continue after 10, they will continue 11th and 12th. Okay, so what is the criteria? 10 pass, duration 2 years, that is 1 year 11th, 1 year 12th, and the specialization available for this are science, commerce, and arts. Okay, so you can do your 11 12, that is HSC, with these three specialization. So all these are the course available after 10, okay, which will give you the proper direction to your life. So understand your strength and weakness, and according to your interest, okay, take a guidance of many peoples of that particular field and definitely choose a specific and perfect course for your career after 10. Okay, now next is what after 12. Now our 12th students, okay, so after 12th, okay, there are three directions. Okay, so 12th science person, 12th commerce person, 12th art person. Okay, so we will take one by one. So first we will start with 12 science person. Okay, so 12 science, okay, these are the three options available: 12 science, 12 commerce, and 12 arts. Okay, next slide, ma'am. First we will go with 12 science. Hello. Ah. So in science there are two specialization. Okay, according to the subject selected. So one stream is PCM, that is physics, chemistry, mathematics, and second stream is PCB, that is a physics, chemistry, biology. Many students like to go for the engineering sort of courses. Okay, so they will prefer the PCM group, and some people like to go for the medical side, so they will go with the PCB group, and many prefer with stay with both group. So because they are not decided in which direction have to go, so they will go with both groups, and then finally after the 12 they will decide what to do. Next slide, ma'am. Now first we will go with PCM group, 12 science PCM group. Okay, so after completion of 12 in with PCM group, there are various options available on your screen. They are Bachelor of Engineering, that is B, Bachelor of Technology, that is BTech, Bachelor of Architect, Bachelor of Science, normal BSc. Then NDA courses are available, 2-year Diploma in Engineering also available, BCS, Bachelor of Science, Computer Science, Bachelor of Computer Application, that BCS and BCA available, Diploma in Film and Television is also available, Hotel Management available, as well as the Fashion Designing. All these are the options available for the 12 science person. So little bit in detail. Come next slide. Bachelor of Engineering, that is B, and Bachelor of Technology, that is BTech. Okay, so many students have a dreams. Okay, कि मुझे engineer बनना है, मुझे doctor बनना है. So engineering के लिए that is a BE or BTech. These two courses are available in which you will get the degree BE and BTech. Okay, so what is the eligibility for this? That 12 pass with PCM with the 50% marks. Okay, you have to secure the 50% marks in PCM, then only you are eligible for engineering. For reserve category, it's a 45%, but that marks are definitely required. Okay, but after that also you have to appear for the entrance exam like CET, AIE, and JEE. Okay, so this entrance exam you have to crack, and on the basis of that you are eligible for BE or BTech course. Okay, so what is the duration? The duration for this course is 4 years. Okay, so within the 4 years you can complete this course and you will get awarded as a Bachelor of Engineering or Bachelor of Technology degree. Okay, so in BE also various specializations are available, that is mechanical engineering, chemical engineering, computer engineering, IT engineering, civil engineering, electrical, electronics, telecom, production. So these are various courses are available. Okay. So according to the interest, we can join it. Okay. In this, like a textile is related to the fabrics and dyeing and all that garments. Okay. So I have mentioned biomedical. This is also one of the innovative branch, because what is exactly the biomedical? That is, biomedical means it's all related to the equipment. Whatever equipments are used by the medical field as well as the agriculture. Okay. So biomedical engineers is absorbed by that particular industry, and as you know, these instruments are very much important in agriculture and medical. Therefore there is a huge scope for biomedical. Then biotechnology also one of the specialization available. It is all about the genetics, and definitely it have a huge scope in the future, because the coming world is more focus on the genetics. We are doing lot of research and all that in genetics, so biotechnology engineer is very much demanded. Then other than that, aeronautical engineering, agriculture engineering, automobile engineering. Okay, all these are courses are available. And in BTech, what is exactly the difference between the BE and BTech? So what is BE means what? Okay, it's more related to the machinery, and BTech means what? It's a Bachelor of Technology that is very much depends or very much focus on the processing on that particular machine. Okay. So in BTech also, there are many institutions in India. They provide BTech degree with the specialization with food, pharma, plastic, paints, dyes, polymers. All these are the very industry specific courses. So there is a huge scope in this particular course. Next slide, ma'am. Next option is for the 12th PCM student, that is Bachelor of Architecture. As you know, the architectures are very much in demand. कोई भी development हो, whether building or a bridge or any mall, hospitals, means anything, construction, infrastructure. Before starting that, you have to pass the plan from the architect. So, and as you know, in India, infrastructure is not that much developed. Okay? So, in coming years, it's definitely developing. So, be architect people are very much in demand. In next coming 10 to 20, 10 to 12 years, 12 to 15 years, they be architect peoples are very much in demand. Okay, so what is the eligibility for this? So 12 pass PCM students with 50% marks, minimum 50% marks, and duration for this course is 5 years. And yes, definitely entrance is must. So there are entrance available for this course, like National Aptitude Test in architecture, that is a NATA, and the architecture aptitude test, that is a AAT. Okay, so you have to crack this entrance exam, and then only you are eligible for a Bachelor of Architecture course. Okay, so next option is a BSc, that is a Bachelor of Science. Your eligibility is 12 pass student, 12 pass with PCM group, duration 3 years. And in BSc, okay, the lots of specialization available, like you can do the BSc in physics, you can do the BSc in chemistry, you can do a BSc in botany, zoology, etc. Okay, next slide, ma'am. Okay, so next option is NDA. Okay, so previously you seen you can do the Bachelor of Engineering and a Bachelor of Technology courses, diploma courses. Okay, but if you crack the NDA entrance exam, okay, which is you are eligible after 12 pass. Okay, and if you crack the NDA entrance exam, then you will get the entry in NDA colleges, that is the National Defense Colleges. Okay, where you do the same courses like mechanical, chemicals, and all that. Okay, and you will get absorbed in our defense. You can work with our defense, Army, Navy, and Air Force. Okay, and method is there, that is medical test is there, fitness test is there, documentation is there, and entrance exam also there. So you have to pass these all and you are eligible for to do your further education in National Defense Academy. Okay, well, this is also one of the best option for you to do your career and help our nation. Then next option available for 12th PCM candidate is Bachelor of Computer Application, that is BCA, and Bachelor of Computer Science, that is the BCS. Okay, all these are the computer related. As you know, the computer is a booming area. Okay, everywhere computer engineers, computer peoples, are programmers. Okay, are required. So definitely you will get a good scope after doing this course. Okay, so eligibility for this course is 12th pass with PCM group is compulsory, and duration for this course is 3 years. Next slide, ma'am. Then other options available is diploma in film and television. Okay, many people are interested in mass media. Okay, so 12 pass student with PCM, okay, they are eligible for diploma in film and television. Duration is 3 years, and career opportunities are, what after the diploma, if I done the diploma in film television, what are the opportunities? So the opportunities are like a broadcast presenter, film director, camera operator, television production coordinator. All such type of opportunities you will get in your future life when you complete this course, and duration is 3 years. Next option is hotel management. Definitely food is a basic need, so hotelings are very much in demand. Okay, so hotel management course is also in good demand. Okay, eligibility again 12 pass with PCM, duration is 3 years, and for hotel management also you have to crack the entrance exam. So various universities have their own entrance exam for hotel management. So I mentioned some of the entrance exam in on slide. So AIM UGAT, BAVCET, DTE, HMCT, JEE. Okay, so these are the some entrance exam. Okay, every university have their own entrance exam. Next course is fashion designing. Yes, fashion designing also one of the demanded course. Eligibility is 12 pass, and one more information that any science, commerce, art, okay, graduate science student can apply for this course. Duration for this course is 2 to 3 years. And what are the career opportunity for this student are fashion designer, fashion marketer, quality controller, style consultant, show organizer. All these are the career opportunities available for the fashion graduate, fashion designer graduate. Okay. Now all these are explained. It is all about the 12 PCM group. Okay. Now PCB group, 12 PCB group. So these are the various options are available like MBBS, BDS, BAMS, then BHMS, BVSC, paramedical courses, nursing courses, BSc Biotechnology, BSc Dairy Technology, BPharm, BSc Agriculture, BSc Home Science, and normal BSc with Botany, Zoology, Microbiology. In details, ma'am, next slide. So, to join MBBS, BDS, BMS, BHMS, and BV Science, veterinary doctor courses. So, eligibility is what? 12 pass with PCB subject with 50% marks. Okay, and definitely entrance is compulsory that you have to score in NEET. Okay, then only you are eligible on the basis of your ranking, on the basis of your score, you are eligible for various courses in this course. Next, paramedical courses. Okay, paramedical courses means all are the helping hand to our medical courses. Okay, so in these options are available like Bachelor of Science, that is a nursing, diploma in dermatology, diploma in respiratory therapy, diploma in optometric technician, diploma in anesthesia technician. Okay, so all these are the helping people to the main doctors and hospitals. Okay, so these courses are also 3 to 4 years durations. Okay, 2 to 3 4 years duration, and eligibility is 12 plus with PCB group. Next slide. Now, BSc Biotechnology, as I already explained in engineering, that biotechnology have a huge scope. Okay, so after 12 pass, okay, you also instead of BEAT Biotechnology, you also can join BSc in Biotechnology course. It is a 3 to 4 year courses. Entrance exam, yes, there is an entrance exam conducted by the university for these courses, and scope that you can join biological technician, food scientist, environmental engineer, technicians and research scientists. All these are the career opportunities available you to after completion of the BSc Biotechnology. So this is also very demanding and there is a future for this course. Now, next course is BSc in Dairy Technology. Okay, eligibility is 12 pass PCB, 50% marks, duration 3 years, and after completion of this course, you are joined as a dairy technologist, microbiologist, dairy nutrition, dairy scientist, dairy production manager, farm manager. Means dairy business, milk business. Definitely, these companies or these businesses can hire you. You will get a good opportunity in that particular field. Next slide, ma'am.
आपलं बंद आहे.
Similar with biotech, BSc in dairy, BSc in agriculture also available. It's all related to the agriculture. Various scientific methods and all that cover in. This is a 4 year course and eligibility is 12 pass with PCMB group with 50% marks. Next option is Bachelor of Pharmacy. Yes, definitely B Farm. Okay, pharmacy is medicines are very much important for human being. Okay, so Bachelor of Pharmacy is also one of the demanded course in today's world. Okay, eligibility is 12 pass, PCB, 50% marks, and duration is 4 years. Okay, after you can completion of your B Farm, you can go for M Farm, or you can join the medicine industry, or you can join, or you can start with your medical stores chain also. Okay, so all these are about the PCB, 12 pass PCB candidate. Okay, now these all about the science. Now I will explain the what are the options available for the 12th commerce students. Okay, so for 12 commerce students, various options are available like Bachelor of Commerce, Bachelor of Business Administrative, Bachelor of Account and Finance, Bachelor of Management Study, Bachelor of Financial Management, Bachelor of Banking and Insurance, CA Foundation, CS Foundation, software computer courses are also available, and D.Ed. B.Ed. Okay, so all these are the options available for the 12th commerce students. Now in detail, next slide, ma'am. Now BCom, BCom, BMS, BAF, BBI, BMF. Okay, so all these are the courses available for the 12th pass commerce students. Duration of all these courses 3 years. Okay, and scope. So these all courses are very specific. Like BCom, you can join the industry as an accountant. Then BMS, you can join. Be in BMS, you have a specialization for marketing, finance, HR. So you can join industry for that particular segment. BAF is a banking, accounting, and finance. So you will get a good opportunity in that particular. Then BBI course, that is a banking, Bachelor of Banking and Insurance. So you will get a scope in insurance industry. Then BFM, that is you will get a financial market. It's all related to the financial market. So you will definitely get industry specific scope by doing all these courses. Next option is CA Foundation and CS Foundation. Okay, many students who are taking a commerce side, they have a dream that they have to do the CA and CS. Okay, so 12 pass commerce with 50% marks. Okay, then there is a entrance exam available for the CA CS Foundation course. Okay, the path or the method, okay, available is CA Foundation, CA Intermediary, then practice training for 3 years, and CA final. Okay, so this is the journey, and you can start this journey with the CA CS Foundation. Okay, after 12. Next slide, ma'am. Then with this, various computer courses also available. Okay, as the computer is a demanded in today's world, IT and computer. So after 12, you can do the career courses in computers through reputed institute like NIT, Aptech, okay, and all. Okay, they're providing very specific courses like a Tally ERP, graphical designing, digital banking, digital marketing, e-commerce, diploma in office automation, web designing and animations, data entry operators. Okay, so and certificate in computerized accounting. Okay, so by doing these all courses, you can join the industry for that particular need. So this is also one of the options available for the commerce graduate. Okay, commerce students. Then now what about the 12th art students? Okay, so the courses or options available, that is a BA, Bachelor of Art, Foundation for LLB, Fashion Designing, Interior Designer, then BBA, B.Ed, Foreign Language and Diploma, Computer Software courses, and B Architect. All these are the course available for art students in detail. Next slide, ma'am. Now, what is the Bachelor of Art? That is eligibility for this course, 12 pass in arts, duration 3 years, and specialization available, various specialization available. That is a BA in mass communication, BA in economics, BA English, BA literature, all various specialization are available for the BA courses. Then LLB foundations, you can eligible 12 pass students in art stream with 45 marks, okay, are eligible for LLB foundation. But before that, you have to crack the entrance exam. There are entrance exam available like a CLAT, okay, MSCET law, LSAT, IPU, CET. All these are the entrance exams are available which you have to crack, and on the basis of that you will get admission for LLB foundation. It is a 3-year course, and the scope, you will get opportunity like a criminal lawyer, civil legislation, then lawyer, legal analyst, document drafting lawyer, legal journalist. All these are the options available after the LLB foundation completion. Next slide, ma'am. Then one more options available, that is a foreign language diploma. As you know, due to the globalization, market is open. Therefore, it is very necessary to understand the other language. Okay, so if we are Indian, want to do a business with some African or Russian people, so it is very necessary to understand the Russian language. Okay, so this course is also very demanded. Okay, because many MNCs, multinational companies, then for government organizations, okay, also required the translator people. Okay, the people who know the other languages. Okay, so eligibility for this course is 12 pass with art, duration is 3 years, and scope, already I mentioned that translator for MNC, government organization, foreign language trainer, research associate, tourist guide, etc. Various options are available. And the most popular foreign languages are English, French, German, Italian, Japanese, Spanish, Russian, Arabic, Persian, and Chinese. These are the most demanded language which learn or which is preferred by the student. Next slide, ma'am. And diploma in education, if somebody want to do their career in teaching, so they have to do the D.Ed, B.Ed courses. So it is also one of the options available for the BA student, to an art student. Next slide, ma'am. Okay, so I already given a glimpse of the various options available after the 10th and 12th. Okay, so what is necessary to in the life, that is a goal setting is very much important. Okay, so the one quote I mentioned on the screen, that is a whatever the mind can conceive and believe, it can be achieved. Okay, मेरा दोस्त ये कर रहा है, मेरे पेरेंट्स ये बोल रहे हैं, मेरे चाचा ने मुझे ये बोला, it is not important. Okay, you have to find your own option. Okay, and तुम्हारा माइंड जो बोलेगा, तुम्हारा इंटरेस्ट जिसमें रहेगा, अगर वो तुम अगर करते हो, definitely you will get your success definitely in your life. Next. So goal setting is very much important. So goal कैसे होना चाहिए? तो goal become a smart, that is a specific, measurable, achievable, realistic and timely bound. Okay, ऐसे गोल अगर हम प्लान करें तो definitely, like it's a first step is set a goal, then according to the goal make a plan, गेट टू वर्क. ओनली प्लानिंग कर लिया पर बाकी आगे कुछ नहीं कर रहे, नहीं. गेट अ प्लान, गेट टू वर्क, then stick to it, and definitely I have a confidence that definitely you will get a success. Next slide, ma'am. Okay, so definitely success is there, success is ahead, and you become, definitely you become a successful in your future life. All the best from my side. Next slide, ma'am. Thank you from my side. All the best for your future.
Hello. Hello.
Hello, Rashmi ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. We can end.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, chalo.
रश्मि मैम,
Thank you. sir.
एक अनाउंसमेंट कर दीजिए कि फीडबैक फॉर्म ऑन ग्रुप भेजे जाएंगे.
Hello. Feedback form will be given on the group. So you have to fill that feedback form clearly and neatly. And because of your details filled, you will get the certificates. If you don't mention your details properly, the certificates will be bounced back to the email ID. And here we end the meeting. Thank you.